In today's video, I'm going to teach you connecting Firebase to Visual Studio Code, VS Code, using the Firebase CLI and extensions. We'll keep everything inside VS Code so you can set up, test, and ship without leaving your editor. The core workflow is powered by the Firebase command line interface in the VS Code YOD terminal and will enhance the experience with the Firebase Data Connect extension. First, open VS Code and load the folder that contains your project. You'll be using the integrated terminal, so open it from the menu or with the built-in shortcut. The Firebase CLI runs on Node.js, so make sure you have Node and NPM installed. If you don't, install them from the official site, then return to VS Code. In the terminal, install the Firebase CLI globally by running npm install -g Firebase tools. When that finishes, verify the install with Firebase version. Now sign into your Google account by running Firebase login. This opens a browser window where you'll grant access. Once you see the success message, return to VS Code. Next, initialize Firebase in your project folder. Run Firebase in it and follow the prompts. Choose your Firebase project from the list or link to an existing one. Select the features you need, like Firestore, hosting, functions, and your emulators. The CLI will create configuration files for you, typically firebase.json and .firebase.rc. Keep these in version control so your team shares the same setup. If you plan to test locally, enable the emulator suite during init or later with Firebase init emulators. After configuration, start the emulators with Firebase emulators. Start. This lets you work against local services safely before deploying. When you're ready to go live, run Firebase deploy or target specific services with flags like only hosting or only functions. To make development even smoother, install the Firebase Data Connect extension in VS Code. Open the extensions view, search for Firebase Data Connect, and install it. Once installed, follow the prompts to sign in and connect to your Firebase project. The extension helps you explore data, run queries where supported, and stay within VS Code while working with Firebase resources. Think of the extension as a companion. The CLI remains your main tool for setup and deployment. If you see command not found errors, restart VS Code or your terminal to refresh your path. Confirm the CLI is available by running Firebase version and set a default project with Firebase use. Add if needed. That's it. You've connected Firebase to VS Code, code using the CLI, and boosted your workflow with the Firebase Data Connect extension.